I'm ZelRazel and welcome to our story. Today is December 1 and it's a Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, guys! Here's Aurora. I see the foot. I see a hand. And what is this? What is this? What is this? It's Kinder Cake! Kinder Joy! Is it mine? No, it's yours. Oh, dalaga na. Oh, you show them your clothes. Pretty, pretty. Yes. Something new dito sa kwarto na to. Nawala na ang trampoline. Yes, binenta ko na at ang nakabili ay si Mother Liz. Thank you, Mommy Liz, for buying our trampoline. Sana magustuhan yon ni Zach. Diba?
Mama, I don't like to get jack my trampoline. I don't like
Okay, tapon mo na yung cover. Hindi ko sinabi. And we have a brand new ref! Ay, binuksan na ng bata. Thank you, Daddy Anton. Oh, ayan o. Oh, ang luwag, di ba? Ang luwag! Di ba, Aurora? Bakit wala tayo lalagyan na iklog? Wala tayo lalagyan na iklog? And ito ang freezer! Bakit parang napuno yung freezer? Ito ba kadami lang ang freezer natin?
And we have ice cream.
Yeah. Hindi naman natagan to kadami laman ng freezer natin.
Hi guys, today we have this Christmas gift from Mama.
Yes, it's the Advent Calendar Fluffy Slime. So today is December 1 and we will open number 1. Yes!
Oh, what's that slime?
I don't know. Okay. So we will get number 1. Here.
Yeah,
Push.
this is number 1.
Here. And show them.
Wow!
That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 1. What color is your slime?
Pink.
So get the camera.
It's pink.
And how does it feel?
Soft.
And
Stretchy.
what?
And bubbly.
Bubbly. You say that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
Wow. It's see you tomorrow for our video or Christmas.
Yes, day number
1. It's so cool, Mama. Who did this slime?
You will throw that away na?
No. I'm gonna put it on the cabinet. I'm gonna put it there.
On the container?
Yeah, on the
Okay, you
container.
try to put it back.
Mama, can I hide it on Daddy's cabinet? Can I hide it on Daddy's cabinet? Hi guys, today we got this Christmas gift from Mama.
Yes, today's number 2 because it's December 2. Where's number 2? You find number 2.
Here.
No, that's 20. Here's number 2.
Wow.
Ta-da! That's number 2.
And look for the slime.
Oh, where's the slime? Where's your slime?
How about this?
No! Okay! Next is number 3.
Today we gonna put this magical glitter in the slime.
Yes, this is day number 1 and this is day number 2. You wanna put? Ooh!
I will mix
Yes.
with my hand.
Yes.
It's me! Oh no, it's only Aurora. Her name is not Aurora. Aurora, what letter is missing? A is for Aurora, and J for me. A is for Aurora. Teacher. For me. Hi guys, today we're gonna do this Christmas gift from Mama.
Yes. No. Today is December 3, so you look for number 3. Where's number 3? There. What color is that? That's your slime for today. See you all tomorrow. And that's it, guys. If you are still there, please click on the subscribe and bell button to get you notified with our new adventures. It will be a big compliment for me if you like and share this video. Please comment down below if you have anything to say sa amin. Maraming salamat po and stay safe and be kind to each other. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye! Woo!